Dezhou Borui Precision's products are exported to more than 30 countries and regions, including the United States, Germany, Italy, and Russia. We are a reliable Chinese partner for global manufacturing companies. Our factory is located in the Dezhou Industrial Park. We are an integrated industrial and trading enterprise encompassing R&D, production, and export trade. We have ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CE, EAC, and SGS certifications, etc. Our products serve the aerospace, automotive, mold, and general machinery industries. We implement 8S standardized management and support third-party factory and product inspections. Also can provide material testing reports. We are equipped with 187 automated production machines and have gathered 116 senior technical craftsmen to achieve refined operations throughout the entire process, from sewing, lathe forming, milling to external grinding. We utilize precision testing equipment imported from Germany, Switzerland, and Japan, and conduct rigorous inspections at every stage of the process with 100% factory verification. Coordinate measuring machine (CMM) reports are provided upon request. We firmly uphold our commitment to superior quality and consistent precision. Efficient response is our service principle. Respond to inquiries quickly within 1 hour. Accurately confirm drawings within 8 hours. Start production at full speed within 48 hours. Standardize processes with core inventory. Quickly schedule production for urgent orders. Provide dedicated tracking for orders throughout the process and real-time progress feedback, and accurately match the diverse needs of global customers with stable production capacity and efficient delivery. Our 21-person professional R&D team can accurately match personalized customization needs, also can provide integrated solutions with full transparency in materials, processes, and delivery times, balancing timely delivery with a high sample pass rate. From 24-hour online service to Alibaba credit insurance transactions and flexible multi-currency settlement, then to dedicated account managers providing full follow-up and after-sales issues guaranteed to be resolved within 3 business days. We build a solid foundation for worry-free cooperation through full-cycle service. Leveraging our advantageous location adjacent to the China-Europe Railway Express, we have built a multi-channel logistics network encompassing rail, sea, and international express delivery. We professionally provide DDP, DDU, door-to-door customs clearance services with full traceability, accurate pricing with no hidden fees, ensuring your goods arrive safely and on time in every corner of the world. In 2025, we achieved an annual sales of $12 million with our products exported to more than 30 countries, including the United States, Mexico, Germany, Italy, Poland, Russia, Turkey, and Saudi Arabia. We provide professional customized production services to different clients worldwide, and we expect sales to increase by 20% in 2026. Dezhou Borui Precision is committed to long-term cooperation with global partners through its superb technology, high-quality products, and efficient services, jointly exploring a new future for industrial manufacturing.